Welcome back to Bob the Plumber. We have a very special guest for you. Janet the Nerd. Come out, Janet.
Oh, yeah,
Do people call you a nerd?
Hey, it's like my club name.
Okay, folks. Oh, my back's so itchy. Yeah. I'm going to fix her toilet.
Please fix it. Go. Fix it.
Oh, my back's itchy. You give me a wedgie.
Oh, your butt crack is showing. Your butt crack is showing. Please sit down, Bob the Plumber.
I fixed your toilets.
My mom addressed me this morning.
Did she call you a nerd?
Yeah, she called me cute. My mama knows
Somebody has a weird mama.
Did you just call me another club name?
Yeah.
How was that cool? Cool nerd.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool nerd.
Oh my God, I know Marge.
Who's Marge?
Marge is my brother.
Oh, Marge.
I think someone in the crowd said that.
We have a very special person for you. Okay.
Oh, see my friend. Want to see my best friend?
Who's your mama?
My mama dressed me this morning. Can I move my chair over? Frank. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Woo. It's a workout.
Woo!
First time she talked to her, not wait.
Stop for now.
We're not done.
You almost hit me. I think the show's done now.
Okay, bye, folks.
Might not get pretty. John, turn the camera off.